Hello, Ma'am Ging! Happy birthday! Andito ako ngayon sa aming meeting. Wala na po akong time, kaya eto ako mag-greet sa'yo ng happy birthday. Ito yung mga handa namin para sa'yo. Tingnan nyo, Ma'am Ging, ha? Napakadami niyan. Ma'am Ging, itong picture na to, sana maalala mo, dito tayo nag-start na magiging magkaibigan. 2021 pa pala. Ma'am Ging, sana lagi po kayo maraming matutulungan at malayo po kayo sa anumang sakit at all your wishes comes true. Happy birthday, Ma'am Ging from Team Lagan. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.